The stadium continues to make steady progress across multiple areas, with construction crews advancing on several key sections at the same time. From the ongoing expansion of the roof structure to facade preparations and exterior developments, visible changes can now be seen throughout the site. In today's update, we'll take a closer look at the latest progress and the most important developments from around the stadium. The compression ring continues to move forward at a strong pace, with 2 additional falange sections now installed on the south goal side. Crews are getting closer to the halfway point of this section, while preparations are already underway for the next radial beam and support structure. One of the highlights of today's work was the installation of another falange segment. The massive steel piece was carefully lifted into position by the tower crane, with workers guiding it into place using ropes and constant communication. The level of precision required was remarkable, as the segment had to be aligned almost perfectly before finally being lowered and secured into the growing compression ring. Work continues across the upper levels of the stadium with multiple cranes, lifting platforms, and construction teams active throughout the 3rd tier. Crews are carrying out structural assembly, steel installation, and finishing operations simultaneously across several sectors. Additional steel elements are being installed above the radial beam areas, while workers continue advancing wall construction and structural enclosures throughout the upper sections. Activity remains widespread across the 3rd tier, indicating steady progress in multiple work fronts at the same time. Construction inside the 3rd tier continues to advance with visible progress in several interior areas. Workers remain focused on structural walls, service corridors, and enclosed spaces located behind the seating areas. Numerous teams are operating from scaffolding platforms while completing concrete, steel, and finishing work. The lower sections beneath the upper stands are becoming increasingly developed as interior construction gradually moves toward completion. The south goal facade continues to receive additional cladding elements. Several previously unfinished sections have now been completed with new lamas installed across the upper facade. Attention remains focused on the area surrounding the hydraulic piston, where workers are preparing the remaining gap for closure. Construction materials matching the installed facade panels have been staged nearby, suggesting that this final opening may soon be covered. Lifting platforms were active in the area throughout the day as crews carried out preparatory work. Significant progress has been recorded on the mobility core structures located around the stadium. Support frames for future lamas are now largely complete, with diagonal steel members and structural brackets already installed. The area appears close to the stage where anchor systems can begin installation. Once anchors are in place, crews will be able to start mounting the facade supports required for the final cladding system. This section remains one of the most advanced mobility core areas currently under construction. Additional preparation work is underway for future facade installation in the south goal sector. Workers have started repainting support brackets and steel components, removing temporary markings and preparing surfaces for the next construction phase. Bolts, connections, and structural supports are being treated and finished before receiving the hardware required for the Lama system. This work represents another important step toward facade completion. The lateral side of the stadium continues to advance steadily. Structural framing remains highly developed, although some openings still require additional components before final closure. Interior activity remains visible behind the facade, with lifting platforms operating throughout the area. Construction teams continue installing steel elements and preparing sections for future facade integration. Work on the exterior diamond structures has accelerated significantly. Construction crews are actively advancing multiple diamond zones simultaneously after previous delays caused by stadium operations. One diamond structure is now heavily focused on wall construction, with extensive formwork visible across multiple sides. Workers are preparing remaining sections for concrete operations while additional crews continue structural assembly. Meanwhile, another diamond zone has entered an earlier stage of development. Hydraulic hammers are being used to remove excess concrete and prepare foundations before wall construction begins. Activity levels remain high across all diamond work fronts. The most advanced diamond structure on the site continues to make strong progress. Several concrete columns have already been completed and remain protected during the curing process. Workers continue maintaining and preparing the newly poured concrete elements while additional structural work advances around the perimeter. This area remains the furthest along among the current diamond construction zones. Construction of the compression ring is also progressing steadily on the north goal side. Multiple crews remain active across the upper structure while preparations continue for future installations. A notable change is now visible in the geometry of the radial beam sections. Unlike previous areas featuring larger protruding supports, the current north goal sector is transitioning to a more compact radial beam configuration. This change reflects the stadium's evolving roof structure as construction advances toward the center sections. Large quantities of Panasonic-branded equipment remain stored in the north goal area. Construction materials and packaged components continue to accumulate as preparations are made for future installation phases. Although the exact systems have not yet been installed, the presence of this equipment indicates that additional technological and stadium infrastructure work is approaching. Finishing operations continue throughout the north goal. Workers are painting steel elements, treating structural connections, and preparing support systems for future facade components. Many brackets and beams still require final coatings before the installation of anchors, supports, and facade systems can begin. While visible changes remain limited, preparation work is advancing steadily behind the scenes. One of the most important developments today was observed in the Tribune sector. Workers have officially started installing connection pieces required for future lamas supports. These connections are being mounted directly onto the structural brackets and will eventually support the full facade system. This marks the beginning of a lengthy process that will include support installation, anchor placement, alignment work, and finally the mounting of the facade panels themselves. With these first connection elements now visible, the Tribune section has officially entered the next phase of facade development. Construction activity remains intense throughout the Tribune area. Multiple lifting platforms, crane operations, and work crews are active across the structure. Steel components are being moved into position while workers continue advancing structural, architectural, and finishing tasks. The area remains one of the busiest sectors currently under construction. The diamond structure located near the stadium store has been largely cleared of temporary materials and site obstacles. Construction equipment, fencing, and stored materials have been reorganized, leaving the area ready for future development. Although no major structural changes have occurred yet, preparations suggest that new work phases may begin in this sector soon. Additional facade support components were being handled in the corner section during today's update. Large vertical connection pieces were moved by crane and prepared for installation. Work also continues behind the facade where lifting platforms remain active inside the structure. These operations support ongoing steel installation and preparation work that remains largely hidden from external views. Construction activity remains strong across all major areas of the stadium. The compression ring continues to expand on both goal sides. Facade installation progresses steadily, mobility cores advance toward cladding phases, and diamond structures show significant development. At the same time, interior works, escalator installations, steel finishing operations, and facade support preparations continue throughout the venue. Multiple construction fronts remain active simultaneously, demonstrating sustained progress toward the next major milestones of the project.